Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a TikTok ad manager account. So open up a TikTok ad manager account is actually pretty easy. So first thing you need to do here is you need to open up any browser, go to business.tiktok.com. From here, we need to start creating your account. So typically at the very center or at the very top here, you should see a get started button. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here it's going to redirect you into login page, but since we want to create account, just click on the option that says sign up now. Now from here the next thing we want to do is you need to sign up. So you need to provide a few details about yourself. So first thing you need to enter is your email and the password that you want to use. Also you need to agree. So by clicking here you agree to TikTok commercial terms of services and acknowledge you have read the TikTok for business privacy policy. So to learn how we collect data and use your and share your data here. Now in this case, go ahead and enter all the details and just click on sign up. Now in the next page, it's going to say confirm your email. Now in this case, you need to check your email and enter the code that will be sent to your email. Now here, it's going to ask you to tell us about your business. Now in this case, just go ahead and fill out all the details here. And once done, you should now be good. Now the first thing they are going to ask you, which best describe your business. So are you an advertiser or an agency? Let's go and choose the option, this one. Now from here it's going to ask you country and region and the company name, industry, time zone and currency. But once you've answered all the questions here, click on create, you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.